If your lawn looks like this, white frayed tips everywhere, your mower isn't cutting your grass, it's tearing it. If you got a Mammotion Luba 3 robot mower, the fix takes less than 5 minutes. Those white tips are the clearest sign that the blades on your mower have gone dull. Sharp blades slice clean and the grass heals green. Dull blades rip the cell walls open and the exposed ends dry out and turn white. And most people don't notice until the whole lawn looks washed out. And by then, it's been damaging your turf for weeks. So today we're looking at changing the blades on our Mammotion Luba 3, and there is some good news. The first time you deal with this, you probably don't need new blades at all. The Luba 3 uses 12 small blades, 6 on each of its 2 cutting discs, and every blade has 2 sharpened edges. One side wears down, you flip it over, and you've got a fresh edge ready to go. Mammotion recommends flipping at around 50 hours of mowing and fully replacing at 150 hours, but that depends on your terrain. If you're running it on rough ground, gravel paths, roadsides, horse paddocks like we have, expect to flip sooner. To get to the blades, first power the Luba 3 off completely, then flip it upside down, but protect the LiDAR module on top. A cushion, a folded towel, anything soft underneath works. Before you touch the screws, grab a sharp knife and scrape the packed grass and dirt off the screw heads. Skip this step and you'll strip the Phillips head on the first turn. With the screws clean, use the Phillips screwdriver that came with the mower. Unscrew each blade, flip it so the fresh edge faces out and tighten it back down. 12 blades, 2 discs, same process on both sides. The Luba 3 actually ships with a spare set of blades and the screwdriver in the box, so when you eventually do need full replacements, check the accessories bag before ordering. Mammotion sells a 24-pack of their Endurance blades, enough for 2 full sets. And there are third-party titanium-coated options on Amazon if you want something that is supposed to hold an edge longer. Once you flip the mower back over and run it, the difference shows up within a day. No more white tips, cleaner cut, healthier lawn. 5 minutes of maintenance that saves your grass weeks of damage. Links to the replacement blades are in the description. And until next time, keep it smart, keep it simple, and keep it green.